Excuse me?
I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby.
So, as you can tell from the title of the video, this video is going to be about the maintenance every girl needs. This should be on a regular basis. I just started this from the top of my head, literally just picked up the camera and was like, since I'm traveling tomorrow, let me vlog the maintenance I do for traveling. It's pretty simple. These girls out here, they are so high maintenance and how to be feminine and how to look feminine and all that. It's because you have to keep up with yourself, okay? It's not only about taking a shower, putting on makeup, and going. You have to have a routine when it comes to maintenance. When I say maintenance, I mean self-maintenance. And don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, it's all about looks, but you have to take care of yourself in the inside too. So I'm not gonna leave that out. You have to take care of yourself from the inside and on the outside, but this video is more about the outside body. Make sure you go to the doctor, make sure your health is checked, and that's how you can be high maintenance also. But other than that, you want to look good for yourself, not for no one else, you guys. You want to look good for your mental health. So in this video, we about to just go get our hair done. As you can see, I have my natural hair right now. I'm about to get my hair done for the first time, guys. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm getting my hair done for the first time. I never let anyone touch my hair. I'm the only one that do my hair. I do all my wig installs. I'm the one that braid my own hair, but my nails be too long and sometimes my braids be too loose. So my birthday is in a few days. I'm a Scorpio. Shout out to the Scorpio gangs out there. So my birthday is on the 13th of November. So I'm like, let me go get my hair done. I'm turning a big age and I never got my hair done before. I found this hairstylist from my good friend and she put me on to her because she get her hair done, and she is located in Brooklyn, New York. So we about to travel all the way to Brooklyn, New York. I will have her Instagram linked down below and I'll show you guys the result later. I'm actually scared, like I said, because I do my own hair. But it's your birthday and you want to treat yourself so that you can look good. And yeah, she told me that I needed to blow out my hair, wash it and blow it out. You guys, my hair grew so long. My mom was like, is that all your hair or you have weave in there? My hair, let's do a length check. My hair is so long. Oh my god. And actually I want to cut it again because it's too much work. Like, I am grateful for it, but it's too much work. Like, it'd be so knotty and it's like I could never, I can't. I'm this close to getting a perm, y'all, but I'm not gonna do it. But anyways, let's go to the salon. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so I just got here and we about to go upstairs.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Excuse me, my battery's dying, by the way. Excuse me. I love everything about this hair. And I will see you guys in the car when I switch my battery. Just wanted to come on here because I'm so happy with the results. Look at this, okay? So I'll see y'all in the car. All right, you guys, my hair came out so bomb. Sis really slayed my hair, y'all. Look at this. I'm so hyped with the results. The hair came out phenomenal, y'all. Now I gotta go get my nails done. I just want to give a shout out to luvmehair for providing this hair. I paid for this hair myself, and this is not a sponsorship, but the hair is beautiful. As you can see, the shine. Oh, I don't want to be all over the place because I feel so good right now. Like, this is my first time doing my hair, and you guys, she cut layers. She did her thing, and I just want to give a big shout out to luvmehair. This video isn't sponsored, but shout out to luvmehair for providing such beautiful quality luxury hair. Oh my god, you guys, their hair is worth the coins, okay? This unit is a wig. It is, I believe, Brazilian, 26 inches. I didn't want to go too long this time. It is my birthday. Reach right on top of my booty. Only con about this hair is that it's kind of thin, and I'm thinking about adding some more bundles in, like one more bundle, because I like my hair big, because I'm a big girl. Like, I'm a thick girl. I don't want to have no skimp hair in my head. So after like a month or so, I might go back to their website and buy a bundle so that I can add it into this unit. I love this so much, and she did her thing. She took her time, and she was so nice. You guys, go visit her Instagram down below, and I will be somebody just pulled up on me, oh my god. And I will be I will be on her page also if you want to see the pictures. What are you doing? Why would you open my door? Anyways, you guys, what happened? How you opening my door from your car?
Let's go.
We're going. You want me to meet you there? Or you want me to park? Alright, I'm gonna park. Alright, you guys, I'm about to get a quick bite to eat, and then I'm going to the nail salon, and I will see you guys at the nail salon.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you.
Alrighty, you guys, so I just finished with my nails, and I went with the classic French. You could never go wrong with a French, okay? So this is how they came out. And the lady was giving me a little bit of hard time because I like my I like the bottom part right there to look very natural. I like it to look pinkish. I want it to look like, you know, my own natural nails. Like, I don't want it to look too white, and they like to put like a whitish color right there. I don't like that. So when you go get your nails done, make sure you're doing a classic French, because that is so, oh my god, because that is so classy, and you're gonna feel super feminine. Okay, French nails is always the best nails, okay? I could have did some rhinestones to, you know, since it's my birthday coming up, I could have did some of the rhinestones, but I kept it normal, kept it classy. I feel like a girl again, y'all. Even though I look crazy, I gotta do my makeup, and I gotta get dressed because I am going to Florida, and I'm going to Florida alone. I'm going for my birthday. That's why I got my hair done. I just gotta curl it again. And get dressed. I'm about to go shower. I gotta nair everything when I get in the house. So right now it's 11:30. I'm trying to leave by 12:30 because my flight is at 2:50. Yeah, luckily I don't live too far from the airport. It's like a 20-minute drive. I think everything is on timing, good timing right now, so I should be fine. But you guys, I just wanted to close out the video right here. And for you to look feminine, you guys, we have to be high maintenance. For you to be high maintenance, you have to keep up with these things, you know, just so you can feel good, look good. And when you do these things, you come off more soft, you come off way more feminine, you come off more beautiful. No matter how people treat you, you'll still know how to react in a girly way. So I just wanted to leave that off with you guys, and I'm closing out the video here. I know it's kind of ghetto. I'm in the bathroom at the nail salon, but I just wanted to keep it real with y'all. I didn't want to be no fakeness, you know. Hair is popping, nails is popping, toes is popping. I'm lit, okay? And I want you to be lit. And for you to be lit, you should probably subscribe, girl. So I'll see you guys in my next video. The next video is going to be me flying alone to Florida. I'm spending my birthday in Florida, y'all. So I'm gonna be flying alone, and then I'm meeting up with some friends like on the 2nd and the 3rd day. So it's lit, okay? And I want you to be lit, and I want you to enjoy your life. So by following me, we can do that together, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your notification bell on so y'all know when I'm posting a new video. I'm so lit right now, so happy. I feel good, y'all. All right, see y'all in my next one. Later.